पहले बताएं.
Okay, you can do what seems best.
श्रेय का रुक गया शायद.
It's fine, you can continue.
श्रेय आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. So, ma'am, I'll go first. I wanted to say that both comparative religion and the study of religion, actually what happened in this course, we were studying a lot about Jainism through agams, through philosophy, logic. Karke, when comparative religion came in, it was the first subject which was a little mind opening. Like it helped build better tolerance for other views and to park your own and to be able to see that. And then research methodology, all these were they were moving a little away from mainstream Jain studies. So which came in the third and fourth semester. So by the time we came to theology and like study of religion, I think like I did not know anything about Judaism. I didn't know much about Islam. So firstly, it helped me understand things from that perspective कि हम सब अपने अपने तरीके से समझना चाहते हैं, समझते हैं, we have assumptions and we have maps of what is Hinduism, what is this, but then we realize how diverse our traditions really are, like from Sankhya to like, it was a whole range of things from Mimamsa to Advait philosophy. सब कुछ हमने बहुत deep में Sikha. That was very good. It helped me open my mind a little bit. Secondly, I also learned a lot from you about how to give respect and its due respect to every religion. Because I think I mentioned this earlier also in class कि आप जैसे गुरु नानक देव जी बोलते हैं या आप प्रॉफिट मोहम्मद साहब ऐसे करके बोलते हैं तो वो बहुत मतलब with a lot of love and respect, and that was something I learned as a value from you, that whatever your beliefs are, abhi tak we are not very sure on what you follow, right? But we see you giving equal respect, and I think that is what Anekantvad is also about. And in the absence of an arihant, we don't know. We must mutually respect every point of view. And when it comes to religion, we are respectful of, whether they believe in God or don't, or whether they worship or not. Actually, we had a better understanding of Jainism from a comparative lens when we learned about other religions. So for me, it was a very good subject, and learning from you was really incredible. It really helped me open my mind.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Very nice. Okay, others, please. Tell me about your experiences and all these things.
Shall I share, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
So to start off with, I would say it was a very interesting journey और आपके सब्जेक्ट में स्पेशली राइट फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर भी जब हमने इतने सारे दर्शन का सब पढ़ा था, हमारा ऐसा था कि हम इतना जैन धर्म में थे कि बस वही है, उसी को पढ़ना है, उसी को जानना है. We didn't have like कि बाकी धर्मों के बारे में भी सीखना है, करना है या कुछ. तो इनिशियली तो जब स्टार्ट हुआ तो लगा what is all this. But by the end of third semester, I feel it was very nice experience learning about all other religions. और last year तो I feel जितना आपने वो बोल के जितना मतलब it was इतना रट्टा मारा कि हर चीज के बारे में अभी 4 लाइन तो सब बोल ही सकते हैं, कभी भी पूछो. तो वो एक चीज बहुत अच्छी थी बिकॉज वो एक ऐसा था कि हमको पढ़ना ही नहीं है, बिकॉज हमारा वो ना उसमें इंटरेस्ट था ना कुछ था. बट यू मेड दैट सब्जेक्ट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. आई फील आपने जिस हिसाब से पढ़ाया एंड यू डिडंट स्टिक ऑन द सेम मेथड दिस टाइम. आई थिंक आपने लास्ट ईयर से इस ईयर यू चेंज द मेथडोलॉजी ऑल्सो. अभी जैसे कि कितने भी धर्म रहना तो इस बार आप चाहते तो 1-2 क्लास में भी फिनिश कर सकते थे. लेट इट बी शक्तिज्म, 2 क्लासेस वाज एनफ फॉर दैट कि दिस इज शक्तिज्म एंड दिस. बट आप इतना डेप्थ में जाते थे कि एटलीस्ट 2 पॉइंट अभी उस दिन के याद हो जाए. तो वो चीज मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. मतलब काफी हर रिलीजन का भी यू कुड हैव वाइंडेड अप योर क्लासेस वेरी क्विकली आल्सो.